Hi class, the learning objective for this lesson today is I can identify numbers 1 more and 1 less to 20. Last week we talked about this briefly and we reviewed what it means to do numbers 1 more and 1 less. So you're going to do this activity with me today, and you do need some supplies. I want you to get out your math toolkit and get both of these things. Your 1 more, 1 less mat and your number line to 20. You're also going to need a dry erase marker and something to erase with. Okay, if you need to pause the video and go get that, that's fine, and then come right back. Okay, so we're going to do this together, and what you're going to do is I'm going to give you a number. All right, whatever number I tell you, we're going to write it right here in the middle. And then we're going to come up to the number line and find that number. And if we want to find 1 less, we have to hop back 1, because remember, 1 less is smaller number. And if we need to find 1 more, we're going to hop forward 1 because 1 more is bigger. Okay? All right, so the first number that I want you to find is the number 8. Before you find it, let's write it right here in the middle. Write the number 8. All right, so we have the number 8 in the middle. Now let's come up to the number line and find that number. Put your finger right there at 8. Okay, now to find the number 1 less, you're going to hop back 1. So take your finger and hop back 1. What is 1 less than 8? It is 7, so we're going to write that number right here for 1 less. And then come back up to your number, which is 8. And we're going to hop forward 1 to find 1 more. What is 1 more than 8? 9. So come down to the bottom and write the number that's 1 more than 9, or than 8, I'm sorry. You're going to write 9. Now your board should look like this. 7, 8, 9. Is that what you have? Good. Now if we were checking this, is 1 less than 8, 7, and 1 more than 8, 9? When you're counting, do you say 7, 8, 9 in that order? You sure do. That means that this is correct. All right, let's erase it. We're going to do another one. We're going to do one in the teens now. Okay? All right, the first number that I want, or I'm sorry, not the first number. The second number that I want you to do is the number 14. Let's write 14 right here in the middle. Go ahead, write 14. Think about what 14 looks like. You should have a 1 and a 4. Okay, now that you have that in the middle, find 14 on your number line and put your finger underneath it. Did you find it? Good. Now my finger is right under the 14. We're going to find the number that is 1 less than 14. So if we're looking for 1 less, do we hop back or forward? We're going to hop back. So hop back 1. What is 1 less than 14? Write the number down here. When you're done, come back up to the 14 on your number line. And we're going to do the same thing for 1 more. Remember, 1 more, you hop forward 1, so hop forward 1. What is 1 more than 14? Very good. Write that number down here for 1 more. Okay, now I want you to check yours with mine. Yours should look like this. 13, 14, 15. 1 less than 14 is 13. And 1 more than 14 is 15. Is that what you have? Very good. Let's try another one. Erase your numbers. Okay. I want you to find, well, before we find it, let's write it. The number is 19. Write the number 19. So 1 and a 9. Okay, now find the number 19 on your number line. Where is the 19? Put your finger underneath it. Did you find it? Good. All right. So we are going to find the number that is 1 more than 19. Did you hear me? 1 more. Think about which way you have to jump because more is bigger. What number is 1 more than 19? Okay, write it down right here for 1 more. And then go back up to 19. And hop back 1 to find the number that's 1 less. What number is 1 less than 19? Write it down here for 1 less. If you need to pause the video to do that, that's fine. When you're done, come back. All right, so we are going to check your answer with what you got for 1 less and 1 more with my answer. So the number 19 is right here, and if we're going to find 1 more, we hop forward 1, and I can see that the 1 more is 20. So I'm going to write 20 right here. I come back up to 19, and I need to find the number that's 1 less. That means it's a smaller number, so I'm going to hop back 1, and I see the number is 18. So on my mat, I have 18, 19, 20. Is that what you wrote down? Good job. 1 less than 19 is 18, and 1 more than 19 is 20. Okay, erase your numbers. Okay. The next number that we're going to do is the number 12. I want you to write 12. 12. For this one, we are only going to find the number that's less. Okay? We are only going to find the number that's less. So you wrote 12. Find 12 on your number line. Where is it at? Put your finger under it. Okay, now find the number that's 1 less than 12. Think about which direction you're going to hop. Are you going to hop forward 1 or hop backward 1? Right, you're going to hop back because we're doing 1 less. And what number did you get? What's 1 less than 12? If you said 11, you're right. Right before you say 12, you say 11. Okay, erase what you've got. Now for the next number, we're going to find only the number that's 1 more. All right, I want you to write down the number 18 right here, 18, and then find it on your number line. Did you get it? All right, so now that your finger is on 18, we're going to find the number 1 more than that. What number is 1 more than 18? Write your answer. Now when I find 18 and I hop forward 1 to get 1 more, I can see the next number is 19. After we say 18, we say 19. So 1 more than 18 is 19, and this is what you should have written down. 18, 19. Very good. All right, friends, that is it for this lesson. We will continue learning about this later. Go ahead and close your marker, and you can put away your tools. Remember, numbers 1 less are smaller, and numbers 1 more are bigger. Have a great day.